Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these apple coasters, great for fall. Use them to protect your desktop and tabletop while adding a festive look. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the apples, leaf, and stems, cotton batting, pinking shears, and of course the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates and place a piece of apple fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a layer of batting and place the other piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up and center the template on top. If you're wanting a matching set of coasters, place the 1/4 yard of apple fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Add the batting on top, aligning it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the templates, pin them in place, and rough cut around the templates. Stitch each apple by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Be sure to take your time as you're working on the curves. Follow the same steps to sew apples from the other pieces of fabric and batting. Then use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line on all the apples. To make the leaves, place the piece of leaf fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the leaf templates on top of the fabric and pin them in place. Rough cut around the templates. Stitch each leaf by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. To make the stems, fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press it to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edges all the way around and across the fabric strip. To assemble the coasters, fold a stem strip in half to make a loop. Place the raw edges of the loop on top of the back of the apple and stitch to secure. And stitch the stems to all the coasters. Place the leaves on the top front part of the apple near the stem and stitch them in place. And just like that, just that fast, you have these colorful apple coasters to decorate your home for fall and back to school time. See you next time with another project.